Hi, and welcome to a video on conversions, otherwise known as dimensional analysis. The trick here is converting one unit to another, and we can do that by multiplying by a series of values equal to 1, which will change one unit into another. What we're given is a problem of converting 63 inches to centimeters, and the equality statement 2.54 centimeters equals 1 inch. What I want to do is set up 63 inches, put over 1, and multiply by my equality statement, 2.54 centimeters per 1 inch. In this way, inches cancel, and I'm left with just a unit of centimeters. The calculator will say 160.02, which when I round to 2 sig figs is equal to 160 centimeters. The next problem asks me to convert 8.3 kilograms to pounds. Here again, I will choose my equality statement of 2.2 pounds per kilogram and put 2.2 pounds in the numerator, 1 kilogram in the denominator, such that kilograms cancel, and I'm left with an answer of 18 pounds. The next problem has 4 quarts to liters. As always, I want to begin with what I'm given, 4 quarts, and set up my conversion factor, 1 liter over 1.06 quarts, such that quarts cancel and are replaced with liters. This works out to 3.8 liters. The same would continue for the next 2 problems. Looking at the problems here, I'm the purchasing agent of a startup biotechnology firm. Sucrose costs $11.80 per pound. A bottle contains 5 kilograms. How much would you pay for a case of sucrose containing 12 bottles? Use 2.2 pounds equals 1 kilogram. As always, I want to start with what I'm given, which in this problem is $11.80 per pound as the cost of sucrose. My first conversion factor is going to be converting pounds to kilograms. I'll put pounds in the numerator, kilograms in the denominator. That way pounds will cancel. Now I can multiply by 5 kilograms per bottle. That's right here. That way kilograms cancel. And finally, 12 bottles per case, such that bottles cancel. See here, pounds cancel, kilograms cancel, and bottles cancel, leaving me with units of dollars per case. And this works out to $1,600 per case. In an 1859 book, The Corner Cupboard, the prices of common measurements, lists the prices and common measurements in use at the time. A firkin of beer costs $1.39. How much would you pay for a tierce of beer? Note those conversion factors. As before, start with what we're given. $1.39 per firkin. Now I can use my conversion factors. First this one to convert firkins to gallons, and next this one to convert gallons to tierces. Cancel out firkins, cancel out gallons, and I'm left with dollars per tierce, which in this case is $6.49 per tierce. Final problem I want to discuss reads, your lab bench is 36 inches by 120 inches. How many square meters of acid-resistant film would you need to cover that lab bench? And use the following conversion. Reminder here that area is going to be equal to inches squared. We're given the conversion that 1 meter equals, 36. Oh, right, our lab bench is 36 inches. But 1 meter equals 39 inches. What I need to be careful of is that 1 meter squared is not equal to 39 inches squared. I think the best way to envision this, 1 meter by 1 meter, that area would have an area of 1 meter squared. And both of those meters equal 39 inches. So that area would be equal to 39 times 39, or 1521 inches squared. So again, our conversion is not 1 meter squared to 39 inches squared. Rather, our conversion is 1 meter squared equals 1521 inches squared. You just want to be alert with that in case you multiply your inches together. I'm actually going to do a slightly different approach for this area though. I'm going to say that my one dimension was 36 inches, convert that to meters, say 1 meter over 39 inches, and that gives me a width of 307 meters. And my other dimension was 120 inches, which when I convert to meters will give me 3.0769 meters. Area equals length times width, which when we multiply those two things together, we get 2.83 meters squared, which when I convert to 2 sig figs gives me an area of 2.8 meters squared. Thanks for watching.